Oh, look, the toast is ready. The question is, Frag Out, are you ready? All right, today we got a special one. We have a 50 caliber bullet in a sabot. My channel members voted on this to send into Frag Out's toaster. In 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Made impact. Even the wad dented it. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? Wow. But did we hit the toast? Oh, look at that. We did. We did. All in fun, guys. All in fun. Sorry, Frag Out. I had to, man. But you know, it still kind of works. So, yeah, you're good there. It'll be fine. Take care, guys. Love you, Frag Out.